assignment, you need colored pencil, Sharpie, and a number 2 pencil. We're going to start with that number 2 pencil and draw sort of some organic ribbons. Think of them like ribbons, but in an organic way, meaning they're going to be kind of wavy, not like a perfectly straight line. I like to be a little wider at the edge of the paper and a little skinnier in between. This first shape that you lay down on the paper, we want to make sure those ribbon type shapes are wider. Notice that those ribbon shapes are wider than my finger, maybe even 2 fingers wide. We're going to ignore that top set of ribbon that we just drew, and we're going to move on to the next one now. We want this next one to look like it goes underneath or sits behind your first set. So as I draw these lines, I'm not drawing right through there. I'm skipping that part and drawing the line coming out on the other side. Again, organic shapes, curving lines, right all the way to the edge of the paper. Once you're satisfied, grab your colored pencils. We are going to shade with our colored pencils. We want that to look like it's on top. We want this one to look like it's going underneath. To make that happen, we're going to press really hard with the colored pencil to make the darkest value, right where that ribbon looks like it's going underneath the other one. So pressing hard gives us a dark value, and then you're going to work carefully to lighten that pressure where it comes out into the light more, where it's not being partially covered up. We're going to repeat that at every point where the ribbon goes underneath. We need to add this shading. Time for a third layer. So put that colored pencil away and grab your number 2 pencil. And you're going to do the exact same thing. It needs to get skinnier. And I try to break up those blank areas on the page by making sure they kind of poke through there. So skinnier ribbons, same concept, do it again. We're going to repeat this even one more time after that. I expect to see 4 layers of ribbons from you. I am starting my 3rd one right now. You can do more than that. I actually end up doing 5. For the next layer, choose a different color and repeat the same process, shading dark wherever that ribbon looks like it goes underneath another one. When you've created at least 4 layers, go ahead and go back to the very first layer and shade it in. I found the easiest or the best looking was to go ahead and just shade where the ribbon goes off the edge of the paper, shade the darkest there, and then sort of blend it into the lightest value near the middle. You're done with colored pencil. Grab your Sharpie. Wait, put something underneath that. You're going to go ahead and fill in with a nice smooth black Sharpie all those negative spaces, all those little spaces between the ribbons to really make your shading and your colors pop. And then you're done.